Hey, sign hunters! Yes! Where are we going, Kate?
Caersws.
Caersws. Yeah. And we're gonna do some sneaky sign hunting today. Although we got a wedding, that's why we are so fancy. I don't know the lyrics here. Awesome little car, isn't it? You don't often see me this fancy. Blackberry, yummy, yummy, yum yum. I love them.
Safe.
Doggo. Excuse me, please. Excuse me. What do you want, Kate? How you feeling, Katie?
Sleepy.
Katie is busted.
Thanks.
It's like Katie's got vegan food, cooked potato.
And that's it.
That's it. I've got
This is a little puff pastry thing.
I've got the vegetarian.
What is it?
I don't know. Stop touching my food. Not yet. Repeat it, Katie.
No.
Katie just picked this up. Not this one, but this is the real one.
Mm-hmm. That's salt. That's salt.
Yeah, but that's one butt, isn't it? There's one butthole, man. What can you do with two? Right.
That's how you said it. It's warm.
She picked this up. And she said, it's the butt pepper. This is the butt pepper. Was it salt?
Of course it's salt.
Ooh.
One's salt, one's pepper.
Yeah, but why is it what? It should be the way around.
Oh man.
Oh, well, doesn't matter. Food is great. But what's this place called? Maur. Oh my.
And get some mouse more or something like that.
Oh, mouse maur.
Mouse more or mouse more. Something like that.
Something like that.
What did you say?
They're gonna fill up the tummy and go to the Caersws sign. Sign hunting. I'm going to find a sign now. And Caersws is not far from here. Hopefully I can get there in 10 minutes or something like that. Here you are, that's what it's called. Mas Maur. Once again a very dangerous road. Yes! Sign hunters, yes! Caersws is a small village, by the way. Have you ever dreamed of a unicorn before? Ah, here you are. We have a unicorn here. Bye sign! See you later, guys!